Do we have to do
Today
this?
we
Jared?
are going to
Yes.
we're going to be eating cinnamon.
It's not as much. Josh got a little more.
Look at this. Alright, guys.
Go first.
Who's
Okay,
gonna-
we're
who
going
you
first.
think's gonna die?
Let's watch Josh go first. Wait, I'm gonna get you guys a bottle of water.
Show him the menu.
First person to drink the water loses.
Alright.
Alright,
Good.
Josh, you're gonna go first.
Alright, I just put it in my mouth.
Don't we
Yeah.
eat it just at the same time? Because, like, first
Drink
one
it.
drinks the water.
Okay, yeah, sure. Hold, let me get you. Jared, go stand by Josh. Oh no. Come on, Jared.
Jesus Christ.
Oh God, it's getting everywhere.
It's sour. It's hot for some reason.
Come on.
Ooh, it tastes like sriracha.
Don't put it on the floor, damn it.
Oh, my nose. Oh, you guys spit it.
It tastes like
Guys, the water's right
it
there.
burns like sriracha.
The water's right there.
Get a knife.
Guys, get the water. Get the water, guys.
You're a you. Thank God.
I think we need to clean the floor.
Yeah, we will. Guys, get the
Come on,
water.
guys, why don't you drink the water?
Say ah. Say ah, Josh. Jared, say ah. Jared, how is it?
Bad.
Is it better?
It burns.
Are you getting better?
Kind of.
Not even close.
Jared, you still got cinnamon on that spoon.
Ew, it tastes disgusting. Drink the water. Don't spit on the
Oh
ground.
my God.
Tastes so bad.
No spitting. Come on, guys. Just grab the water.
Here, drink the water.
If someone doesn't drink the water in 10 seconds, you're gonna get another spoon. 1, 2,
Drink it.
3, 4, 5,
Another spoon. Another
6,
spoon.
7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'll get another spoon.
Good oil.
Says who? Did he drink the water? No. Sorry, guys. I accidentally exited out.
I'm drinking the
Stop.
water.
Jared, did you drink the water?
A teensy bit. Just a teensy.
Should I put water in my mouth? That's not fair.
Okay, that doesn't count. Okay, guys, stay there. Watch them.
Why you wanted another cinnamon, Josh? Why didn't you drink it?
Okay, guys, come on. Your spoon.
My stuff.
Show the camera the mess.
Go ahead, Joe.
Look at this. That's disgusting.
That's called a cinnamon mess.
Ew. Jared did a crappy mess. Looks like crap. Put this back.
Oh man. Hey, Josh, also give me a spoon.
Jared lost, right?
No.
Okay,
No,
well,
I didn't.
we're gonna redo that.
Where on my sip? I spilled mine. Oh my goodness. Don't worry. Here go Josh. Josh.
Can I go already?
No. Oh, you should go ahead. There's a pain. Why don't you drink the water? Could have got that in my eyes.
Yeah.
Here. Go in front of the camera. I got another batch, guys.
Do it.
Go, hurry up. Move.
My nose hurts now. It just helps. Okay, it's burning it out.
I swear to God. I can't do this anymore. Stop yelling.
Alright, good one. Good one already.
What? You guys.
Alright, guys, they're done. Bye. You think they want to say bye?
Bye. And my mouth is in pain.